Okay, so I did the first part and I'm going to open it up and see how it looks. Oh my goodness. I'm going to press cancel. And then I'm going to set it for 9 minutes custom. So it's already on custom. Okay, so it preheated. It's telling me to add. I'm just going to put on some sauce. So a little trick, I take my leftover sauce and I freeze it into small little quantities so that when I'm doing a pizza or something like this, I can just defrost it and I don't have to use a whole jar of sauce. I don't have to make my own, and it's nice and easy. So this was in the freezer. I just popped it into the microwave. The prep bowls go right in the microwave. And we are loving the everything but pizza seasoning. So I'm going to sprinkle a little of that on before I put my cheese. And then we went to a local little farm market that we have and bought some fresh mozzarella cheese. So that's what we're using today. Finish it all up. And then we're just going to sprinkle a little more of the seasoning on top. And now I have to close it by hovering this over. So it won't actually touch the pizza. It'll just, oops, let me make it so it will hover. It will just hover over it and it will cook from the top and the bottom. Okay, now for the true test to see just how beautiful that pizza turned out. And I did not have to turn on my oven. Look at, ooh, the bottom is nice and crispy. Let's see, I'm gonna just pull it out onto this. Close that. See that beautiful pizza? Look at the bottom. I want to show you the golden bottom. Yum. Just cut you a piece so you can see. Want a bite? I bet you do.